Good afternoon. My name is Henry Akari, and I'm here at the Digitech Club for my computer and computer programming classes. I started up last year, like some months ago, and my experience here has been wonderful. So I think computer studies and web design and web programming. And being here ever since, it's been a tremendous and wonderful experience. My experience here has been very good. The learning atmosphere here is very conducive, very good, and also very wonderful. The teachers here are top notch. I mean, trust me, you would always I'd always want to have the very personal experiences with them. Now, I would love to recommend this tech for anyone out there, especially within the city of Minnesota and outside as well, because here it gives you a better glimpse of further studies because you always have that personal rapport, all personal communications with the instructors. The instructors always give you a very good and better glimpse of computer study on how it works and everything surrounding it. Yeah, so basically that's what it is. And my time here has been very wonderful. Trust you, I will never miss a day out. I always like anyone out there who has seen this also would just give it a try. It's just so right the city of Inador. Trust me, you'll love it. Thank you.